Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Salter mechanical scale. This is the doctor style. This is something like what you see when you go to the GP. This is quite big. I'm saying if you want to get something like this, you should have adequate room to actually store or keep it, or where it's going to be where you take your measurements. So it's just quite simple. I just wanted you guys to have a look, since when I was about to get it I couldn't find any reviews on it. The good thing about this scale is the fact that it comes with 15 years guarantee from the manufacturers. Yeah, 15 years from the manufacturers, which is actually good. I got this on Argos. It goes originally for £30, but at the moment it's going on sale for half price, so you can actually get it for £15 online. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the box. So this particular scale you can use on both hard surfaces on the floor, or if you want to use it on a carpeted floor, you can also do that. So it's suitable for both types of surfaces. It says it's a 2.7, I think 2.7 kg scale. So, all right. So this is the way it is. So this is the scale. I don't know. So this is the scale. It's I like this because it's quite comfortable for you to stand on. It has, if you understand what I'm saying, you have enough room here to stand on while you weigh yourself. And while you weigh yourself, if you look at the dial, if you look at the, you can see it's easy to see the numbers. You know, there are some of these mechanical, I prefer mechanical scales anyway. There's some of these mechanical scales that when you stand on, it's so tiny that you can't see the readings inside. But with this one, it has a very big surface area for the readings. You are able to see the dial very well. I just thought I should bring this to you guys so you guys can see it. I like it. It's nice and good for the price. Alright? Thank you guys. If you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop your comments below. If you have any questions about the scale, you can drop it below.